Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall ZenHub from GitHub repositories, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall ZenHub from your GitHub repository, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Next, navigate to the GitHub website and log into your account. Once logged in, locate the repository where ZenHub is installed. In the repository's main page, find the Settings tab, usually located near the top right corner. Click on the Settings tab to enter the repository settings. Scroll down the Settings menu on the left side of the page until you find Integrations. Click on Integrations to view the active integrations for your repository. In the Integrations list, look for ZenHub and select it. You will now see an overview of ZenHub's details and settings. Locate the option to remove integration or uninstall. Click on Remove Integration to initiate the uninstallation process. A confirmation dialog will appear asking if you're sure you want to uninstall ZenHub. Confirm your decision to proceed with the uninstallation. Once the process is complete, ZenHub will be removed from your repository. To ensure the uninstallation was successful, refresh the repository page. Check the integrations list again to verify that ZenHub is no longer present. Remember, uninstalling ZenHub will remove all associated features and data tied to the integration. You have now successfully uninstalled ZenHub from your GitHub repository. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.